Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you're just getting started with Figma and want to learn how to redesign any website without feeling totally lost, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through an approachable way to jumpstart your UI design skills, using templates and the tools built right into Figma. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find pre-built designs, make them your own, and confidently put your own creative spin on any website. Let's dive right in. So I know for many beginners, the thought of creating a brand new website designed from a blank canvas can be really intimidating. It honestly feels a bit like being handed an empty notebook and told to write a novel. But don't worry, you don't have to start from scratch. Figma has a fantastic range of templates and resources that can give you a solid starting point, making your design journey much smoother. First, let's open up Figma and head over to the Template Tools section. You can find this right from the main dashboard. Look for something that says Templates or Community. What's great about templates is that they're made by other designers, so you can see real examples of layout, color, and structure. These are like having a blueprint for a house before you move any furniture or paint the walls. Now in the search bar, type in UI designs. Take a moment to explore, don't rush. You'll see dozens, sometimes hundreds of different templates pop up. Some are minimalist, some are bold and colorful, some are specifically meant for portfolios or e-commerce. Browse through and see what catches your eye. Remember, there's no right or wrong choice here. It's all about finding inspiration and a template that feels close to the style of site you want to redesign. Once you've spotted a design that speaks to you, go ahead and select it. You'll usually see an option like Duplicate or Open in Figma. Click that, and Figma will load a copy of the design right into your workspace. Don't worry if it takes a few moments to load. These templates are sometimes quite detailed. Now for the fun part, customization. This is where you truly make the design yours. Start by exploring the layers and components on the left panel. Try changing text, swapping out images, and playing with colors. Maybe you want to tweak the navigation bar, update the hero section image, or adjust the spacing between elements. Every little change is a chance to learn. Think of it like rearranging the furniture in your room to better fit your style. Not sure what to do? No problem. Try mimicking elements from your favorite websites or experimenting with different fonts and button styles. You might discover a new look you love. And remember, if you ever get stuck or something looks off, that's completely normal and totally part of the process. The goal isn't perfection, it's to get comfortable exploring and learning. Templates are fantastic because they let you reverse engineer how professional designers build layouts, and over time, you'll pick up tons of tips and tricks just by tinkering. Alright, that's the beginner-friendly way to redesign any website using Figma's templates and tools, even if you're just starting out. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're feeling a little more confident about taking on UI design projects. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I love chatting and helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Until next time, happy designing.